Hey there, e-commerce sellers. Today, I want to share a quick tip that could save your business from real financial headaches, and it only takes minutes. Next Insurance offers online retail business insurance tailored specifically for e-commerce stores like yours. Whether you're selling on Amazon, Etsy, or your own site, Next combines key coverages, general liability and commercial property, into one simple policy called a business owner's policy or BOP. That means protection for third-party injuries, product liability, property damage, theft, fire, vandalism, and even business income interruption, all bundled conveniently at a special price. Here's why I recommend it. It's fast and fully digital. You can get a free instant quote and buy a policy in under 10 minutes, entirely online, with no paperwork or agents involved. It has tailored coverages. You get options like cyber insurance for data breaches or wire fraud, product liability protection for defective merchandise, and commercial property coverage for your inventory and equipment. It's flexible and affordable. You can pay monthly or annually, cancel anytime, and save up to 10% when bundling multiple coverages. Instant documentation. Upon purchase, you receive a certificate of insurance immediately, so you can meet platform requirements or client demands with ease. In short, Next Insurance delivers fast, tailored, and cost-effective protection for awesome e-commerce business without all the frictions of traditional insurance. If you're running an online store and haven't explored e-commerce specific insurance yet, take a few minutes today. Click the link in my description to get your instant quote from Next Insurance and protect your shop fast and smart.